Gunslinger is based on the EABO concept. EABO is Expeditionary Advanced Base Operations. It is the future 2030 design program. It's looking at the Pacific and conducting essentially similar to the island hopping campaign we did in World War II. It's establishing small bases of support on different island chains and conducting our operations from there and continuing to bound along those island chains.
Over the last few weeks, we've been integrating with the Marine Corps, specifically Marine Air Control Group 48, the Reserve Marine Corps Air Control Group, doing high-level integration exercises to go out and execute tactical command and control in a joint environment through dispersed command and control nodes. So we have the Marine Corps Tactical Air Operations Center up in Northwest. We're down here in Wichita, and the Marine Corps TAC is executing out of Salina. One of the key reasons why we had this exercise is the Marine Corps and Air Force systems are slight differences. While fundamentally they're the same, but how our equipment talks to each other is slightly different. So the Marine Corps Comm Squadron, as well as the Air Force Combat Comm and our own Comm Squadron here, is building out that infrastructure of what that looks like so that our systems can talk. That way all of our systems are talking and we're able to feed data up the chain of command. One of the biggest pieces of this exercise is not so much the actual mission execution, but it's working out those tactics, techniques, and procedures for us to be able to make sure that we have to go out somewhere and deploy together, that our systems can talk and that we can pass data back and forth, because data passage is going to be key in the peer-to-peer fight.
Gunslinger so far has been very successful. This is a very beneficial training, so it's a great AT opportunity for all the reservists out here, as well as the active duty folks. It's a good opportunity for us to experiment and train with the future operating concept, working the air piece in coordination with the ground piece to conduct strikes and work on the EABO concept that's pushed in Force Design 2030.